In the event of a disaster, whether it is a fire, flood, sewer backup, mold remediation, or others, you can trust our knowledgeable staff to assist you efficiently and empathetically. With over 30 years of experience in the restoration and rebuild service, you can be confident in receiving personalized professional services. We strive to provide the utmost excellence with our complete services to all our customers and dedicate ourselves to creating a hassle-free experience. Open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, we're ready to assist you within 30 minutes of your call. Making your house feel like home again. 379 Airport Road.